what you want. Let me get right beside you, put my finger through your thumb.
As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, what's up, you guys? It's your girl BR to the EN to the DJ to the double EN, and I can send another video for you guys. And today I will be installing a hair. So basically I'm gonna show y'all the hair. I'm gonna show y'all. It was off Amazon. It's called BLY Beauty, Love, and Youth. 100% human hair wigs. It came in this box. I already opened it. It came with a wig cap, 2 wig caps, and then it came with just their little card thing. Yeah, that's all. And this hair is a 14-inch. Let me show you. This is the hair. Like, I didn't pluck it. I didn't do nothing to it. This is how it looks. This is how the lace looks. I was playing with this. I saw this little, But basically, this is a 14-inch, 150, I believe, density, 13 by 4 lace frontal wig in the curly Brazilian. I think this is. I'll definitely put everything in the description box for you and put a link. But this is very cheap. It's really soft. It's really flowy. Her name is Destiny. She bounces back. This is how the back looks. This is how it looks up close. Oh, hold on. This is how it looks up close. This is the curls. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the lace. It comes with 5 clips, 4 on the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 in the middle. And then yeah, so basically I'm just going to just put makeup on the lace to match my skin, because I'm not gonna do all that. And yeah, I'm gonna make it a side part. So yeah, so let's get started. I use these because my skin, like, I don't have this, like, there's nothing that has my exact skin complexion, so I have to like make it. So my skin be acting. Just brown. Got the mix out. This is mad yellow. Mad yellow. This lighter, but I'm gonna add foundation to it. So. I forgot my hot comb, so we're gonna use my friend's curling iron. So this is it when it's wet. But yeah, I'm done. My first time, well, not my first time, but it's been a while since I put a wig on, a fresh new wig on. I think I did pretty good. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the hair. This is it when it dried up, and personally I love it. Like, it was very easy to manage the lace. Like it felt stretchy in terms of like it fit my head, so like I didn't have to like pull this one. Like when I pulled this side didn't like lift up, like, and then the lace itself like blended really well. I did add on powder, my makeup concealer, because I didn't bleach it. In terms of like knotting, I didn't do that, but it's fine. Honestly, like for putting it on, like my first initial review, this is great. Like, look at the bounce back. Like, this is it dried. Like, you could middle part it, but I side parted it because I just like how side parted it better on me. But yeah, I did one little baby hair. I don't like it baby hairs too much. And then this is how it looks. Like, what, Lace? Stop playing with me! I did that, and that's on period. But yeah, I'm just hyped because usually, like, when it comes to my hair, like, I'm very, like, it's a hit or miss, or, like, one side is good, one side isn't, but both sides is popping, baby. But we don't care about this side that much. We care about this side. But yeah, so this is the look. If you know me, you know I like to bring my hair back. That's my thing. So I take extra time on this side. My makeup is gonna be looking nice, but yeah, this is the look. And yeah, I didn't have a hot comb, but honestly, I didn't get that much shedding. Yeah, like this hair, like nothing. 14-inch on Amazon, 2-day shipping, great. Like, I recommend it. It's quick, it's easy, you can put it on really fast, no problems. I like it. It works with you. You shall get this, guys. That is it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.
Let me put you on. Let me get right beside you. Put my finger through your thumb.